Hello students, this is the fifth video of chapter number 13, that is amines. In this video we are going to start the reactions of aryl diazonium salts. Aryl diazonium salt shows two types of reactions, that is the first one, reactions involving displacement of diazo group. The diazonium group, that is N2 plus, is a very good leaving group due to the positive charge on nitrogen atom bonded to aromatic ring. As a result, the aryl diazonium salt undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction with a variety of nucleophiles. aryl diazonium salts दोन प्रकारच्या रिएक्शन दाखवतात. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला प्रकार जो आहे, पहिले रिएक्शन्स, दॅट इज there is the displacement of diazo group. This diazo group is very good leaving group and hence it is displaced by the variety of nucleophiles. Here are the different reactions shown by the aryl diazonium salt. First one, here column is a title of reaction, then substrate, it is common benzene diazonium salt, then the reagent used and the product. First reaction is the Sandmeyer's reaction. Here aryl diazonium salt reacts with cuprous chloride with HCl, formation of aryl chloride with removal of N2 gas. Again aryl diazonium salt react with cuprous bromide with HBr, formation of aryl bromide plus removal of N2 gas. Again this salt react with cuprous cyanide with KCN, formation of aryl cyanide plus removal of N2 gas. The products obtained by this reaction, which has the very good yield. Gattermann reaction. In this reaction, aryl diazonium salt reacts with copper powder with HCl gives aryl chloride plus removal of N2 gas, and again this reacts with copper powder in presence of HBr. Then there is the formation of aryl bromide plus N2 gas. Third one is iodoaryl formation. Here aryl diazonium chloride when react with potassium iodide, there is the formation of aryl iodide plus removal of N2 gas. Mild reduction. In this aryl diazonium chloride on reaction with H3PO2 with water, that is hypophosphorus acid or the phosphinic acid, it gives arenes plus N2 gas plus H3PO3 plus HCl. Again this aryl diazonium chloride on reaction with ethanol, it gives arenes plus N2 gas plus CH3CHO plus HCl. Next reaction is the phenol formation. Here aryl diazonium chloride heated with water up to 283 Kelvin, there is the formation of AROH, means phenol plus N2 gas plus HCl. A reaction with fluoroboric acid, that is HbF4. Aryl diazonium salt on reaction with HbF4 means fluoroboric acid gives precipitate of diazonium fluoroborate, which on heating decompose to yield fluoroarene. On the other hand, when heated with aqueous NaNO2 in presence of copper to give nitroarene. Aryl diazonium salt, that is ArN2 plus Cl minus on reaction with HbF4, that is fluoroboric acid, there is the formation of diazonium fluoroborate, that is ArN2 plus BF4 minus. This on heating gives fluoroarene, means ARF plus removal of N2 gas plus BF3. But when heated with aqueous NaNO2 in presence of copper to give nitroarene, that is ArNO2 plus removal of N2 gas plus BF3. The reactions involving retention of diazo group, that is the coupling reaction. Here arene diazonium salt when treated with certain reactive aromatic compounds such as phenol or aromatic amines give azo compounds. These have extended conjugated system of double bonds in which two aromatic rings are joined through azo group, that is dash N double bond N dash. This reaction is called as the azo coupling. आता या रिएक्शनमध्ये काय होणार आहे, अरिन डायझोनियम सॉल्ट व्हेन ट्रीटेड विथ द reactive aromatic compounds such as phenols or aromatic amines, then there is the formation of azo compounds, and here both the aromatic rings are joined through azo group, that is dash N double bond N dash, and these reactions are called as azo coupling. Azo compounds are brightly colored and are used as dyes. This is an example of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Here the electrophiles are positively charged diazonium ions. Substitution usually occurs para to the ring activating group. Here is the example. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol in mild alkaline medium to give para-hydroxyazobenzene, which is the orange dye. Here is the structure of benzene diazonium chloride, that is benzene ring N2 plus Cl minus, and react with phenol, that is OH attached to benzene ring in mild alkaline medium. Here a removal of HCl, hydrogen it is from phenol and chlorine from benzene diazonium chloride, and there is the attachment of both the rings through the azo group and formation of para-hydroxyazobenzene, which is the orange dye. This is the para-hydroxyazobenzene. Azo coupling with beta-naphthol in NaOH is used as the confirmatory test for primary aromatic amines. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with aniline in mild alkaline medium to give para-aminoazobenzene, which is the yellow dye. This is the benzene diazonium chloride. Again react with aniline, that is NH2 attached to benzene ring in mild alkaline medium. Here again removal of HCl, hydrogen from aniline and chlorine from benzene diazonium chloride. Then there is the formation of para-hydroxyazobenzene, which is the yellow dye. Both the aromatic ring joined by the azo group. Reactions with arene sulfonyl chloride, that is the Hinsberg's test. Benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is C6H5SO2Cl, is known as Hinsberg's reagent. Ethyl amine, which is the primary amine, reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride to form N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, that is N-ethyl benzene sulfonyl amide. Here first take the benzene sulfonyl chloride, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride plus ethylamine, that is the primary amine, C2H5NH2. Here is the simple reaction. इथे फक्त HCl रिमूव्ह करायचा आहे, H फ्रॉम इथिलमाइन, आणि क्लोरीन कुठून घ्यायचं आहे, फ्रॉम बेन्झीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराईड. HCl रिमूव्ह झाला की नायट्रोजन अटॅच टू sulfur, and hence there is the formation of N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide, which is the soluble in alkali. आता ह्या रिएक्शनमध्ये बघितलं तर फक्त बेन्झीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराईड आणि इथिल अमाइनमधून हायड्रोजन आणि क्लोरीन बेन्झीन सल्फोनिल क्लोराईडमधून काढला की HCl रिमूव्ह होतो आणि दोन्ही कंपाऊंड्स अटॅच होतात आणि आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट मिळणार आहे. द हायड्रोजन अटॅच टू नायट्रोजन इन N-ethyl benzene sulfonamide is strongly acidic, hence it is soluble in alkali. Diethylamine reacts with benzene sulfonyl chloride to give N-diethyl benzene sulfonamide. Here again benzene sulfonyl chloride reacts with diethylamine that is C2H5 means ethyl group attach 2 times to the nitrogen with 1 hydrogen atom. Here again removal of HCl, hydrogen from diethylamine and chlorine from benzene sulfonyl chloride, and simply there is attachment of nitrogen with sulfur and formation of NN-diethyl benzene sulfonamide. NN-diethyl benzene sulfonamide does not contain any hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen atom. Hence, it does not acidic and does not dissolve in alkali. Triethylamine does not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride, means does not give reaction with Hinsberg's reagent as it does not contain any hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen atom. Electrophilic aromatic substitution in aromatic amines. Amino group in aromatic amines is orthopara directing and powerful ring activating groups. As a result, aromatic amines readily undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions, in which first one is bromination, means here a reaction with bromine. Aniline reacts with bromine water at room temperature to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6 tribromoaniline. Here the aniline means NH2 group attached to benzene ring plus thrice Br2 with bromine water, it gives 2,4,6 tribromoaniline with removal of thrice HBr. In 2,4,6 tribromoaniline, bromine are present at second, fourth and sixth number of carbon atom and NH2 at first number of carbon atom. However, to get the para-nitroaniline as the major product, NH2 group is first acetylation and then nitration is carried out and then amide is hydrolyzed. Here, to obtain para-nitroaniline as a major product, there is a first aniline means NH2 group attached to benzene ring, and this on acetylation, that means here acetic anhydride in presence of pyridine, it gives acetanilide, that is NHC double bond O CH3, this nitrogen attached to benzene ring. Again, when heated at 288 Kelvin with nitrating mixture, concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4, here is the formation of para-nitroacetanilide, means only NO2 group is attached to the para position of acetanilide, that is the nitration. Then it on again hydrolysis, that is the formation of para-nitroaniline, means NO2 group at fourth number of carbon atom and NH2 at first number of carbon atom. Next reaction is nitration. Direct nitration of aniline yields a mixture of ortho, meta and para-nitroanilines. In acidic medium, NH2 group is protonated to NH3 plus, which is meta-directing and deactivating. Hence, considerable amount of meta-nitroaniline is obtained. Nitration, that is here aniline heated at 288 Kelvin with nitrating mixture, that is concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4. Here is the formation of 51% para-nitroaniline, 47% meta-nitroaniline and 2% ortho-nitroaniline. Sulfonation means here reaction with H2SO4. Aniline reacts with concentrated H2SO4 to form anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with sulfuric acid at 453 to 473 Kelvin produces para-aminobenzene sulfonic acid, which is called as sulfanilic acid, as the major product. Here is the aniline with H2SO4, it gives anilinium hydrogen sulfate, which again on heating gives sulfanilic acid. This sulfanilic acid exists as a salt called as dipolar ion, means there is the presence of two poles, that is plus charge on nitrogen and minus on SO3, or it is also called as the Zwitter ion. It is produced by the reaction between an acidic group and the basic group present in the same molecule.